Hello dear students, welcome back to Biology Bridge Course class. In this video, I am explaining about the study of photosynthesis. So let us move to the details of photosynthesis, and here is the definition. What is photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means building up a process, that means production. The process by which green plants make their own food, especially carbohydrate, from carbon dioxide and water using sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll, it is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is main character of all the green plants. The plants appear green in color due to the presence of the green colored pigment called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is green color pigment and it is stored inside the chloroplast. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, the green plants appear green in color. And chlorophyll absorbs the light radiations or sunlight, and using that light radiation or those light radiations, the carbon dioxide and water are finally converted into carbohydrate through the process called photosynthesis. In a simple way, the food preparing process shown by the green plants is called photosynthesis. Because of the photosynthesis only, the green plants are called autotrophs. They have the ability to synthesize their own food. Because of that reason only, the green plants are called autotrophs as they prepare their own food material. The photosynthesis is the process of preparing the food, and food which is prepared during photosynthesis is nothing but carbohydrate. And to produce the carbohydrates, plants require carbon dioxide, which is present in the atmosphere, water absorbed through the roots, and sunlight is available. With the help of chlorophyll, using all these materials, when carbohydrate is synthesized in the green plants, the process is called photosynthesis. And here is the image symbolically showing the process of photosynthesis. Sunlight, it is absorbed by the leaves. Carbon dioxide is taken into the leaf. Water is supplied to the leaf. Inside the leaf, when photosynthesis is completed, using the sunlight, glucose is nothing but it is a type of carbohydrate. Then also there is a liberation of the main gas, respiratory gas, without which animals cannot survive, and it is oxygen. So photosynthesis is important process. Not only we are getting the food from the plants through photosynthesis, even the gas without which the life cannot be imagined on the earth, and it is oxygen. So carbohydrate and oxygen are the two important products of photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is unique property of all the green plants. One thing you need to remember, except fungi. The fungi are non-green plants, and all the fungi are included in the kingdom Mycota. The chlorophyll is absent in them, and as a result, the fungi are unable to synthesize their own food material. Except the fungi, remaining plants, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, all of them are preparing their own food material through the process of photosynthesis. Then, during photosynthesis, the light energy is transformed into chemical energy. One form of energy can be converted into another form, and here The light energy is converted into chemical energy during the photosynthesis. Actually, light is absorbed by the leaves or parts of the green plant, especially leaves. And finally, when photosynthesis is completed, there we are going to get the carbohydrate, and the carbohydrates contain chemical energy. The energy is stored in the bonds of these molecules. So during photosynthesis, the light energy is converted into chemical energy. Then moving to next one, study of photosynthesis. In that, here is some image how the photosynthesis takes place. Water is absorbed by the roots. Here you can see the water from the soil is absorbed by the roots, and that water is supplied to leaves. Leaves are green in color because they contain chlorophyll. The leaves absorb sunlight. The sunlight is absorbed by the leaves, and carbon dioxide is entering into the leaf, which is present in the atmosphere. When photosynthesis is completed, oxygen is liberated as byproduct, and carbohydrate will be stored inside the plant body only. Whatever the material that we are getting from the plant, whether it is vegetable, it is fruit, it is grain, or it is pulse, every product of the plant is the product of photosynthesis, and they contain the carbohydrate. And here is the raw materials for photosynthesis. What are the raw materials? What raw materials are needed for photosynthesis? To carry out the photosynthesis, which raw materials are required? One is carbon dioxide, that is CO2. It is present in the atmosphere, and the carbon dioxide enter into the leaf through the stomata. What are stomata? Stomata are minute openings which are present on the epidermis of leaf. The leaf epidermis contains minute openings, and those minute openings are called stomata, and through the stomata carbon dioxide enter into the leaf, and oxygen is liberated from the leaf. Through the stomata only oxygen is coming out, and through the stomata only carbon dioxide enters into the leaf. Then the water is absorbed from the soil, and with the help of roots, the water is supplied to all parts of the plant body. So the two important raw materials which are required for photosynthesis are, one is carbon dioxide and another is water. Then here is equation of photosynthesis. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide when combined with 6 molecules of water in the presence of light as a source of energy, it results in the synthesis of C6H12O6 and 6O2. C6H12O6, it is nothing but glucose. It is a carbohydrate, simple carbohydrate having 6 molecules of carbon, C6H12O6. It represents glucose, and there will be liberation of 6 molecules of oxygen. This is simple equation used to represent the photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis and what happens during photosynthesis? Raw materials for photosynthesis and equation for the photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy, and that chemical energy is stored in the bonds of carbohydrates. The green plants, using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, they prepare the carbohydrates, and it is called photosynthesis. One more very important product of the photosynthesis is oxygen. So in the tomorrow's video, I will explain What are the different types of pigments involved in the photosynthesis? Pigment means colored substance. Flowers have different attractive colors. Fruits show different attractive colors. Leaves show different colors when they are young, when they become old, and when they fall from the plant, they are showing different colors. So all these colors are due to the presence of some specific pigments. About the photosynthetic pigments, how they absorb the light energy, all that information I will explain in the tomorrow's video. Thank you.